Hey guys, so I'm back with this stamping and foil mani for you. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So here's this beautiful foil I got from Amazon. It came with my gel glue set. So I'm painting my nails with Barry M in Fuchsia Kiss. It's this lovely shimmery metallic hot pink. And then once all that was dry, I just applied this foil gel glue. It came with the foil glue. Foil glue? Came with the foil. And then I just popped that in my lamp for 30 seconds. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. And then I just delicately placed that foil where I wanted it on my nail. And here I'm just rubbing it in using a silicone tool, trying to make it as flat as possible and transferring it to the nail. And then use my finger for a little bit of extra rubbing. And then once you think you've rubbed enough, you rub it a little bit more until you can see it starts to peel off around the outside. Once you're happy with that, just peel it off, and there you go, it's your lovely transfer. So you know me, I can't just leave something the way it is, I have to add stamping to it. So here I am with my Brawn Pretty, I'll leave what link it is in the description box. And I just had to stamp this flowery like scale pattern, it's so cute. I stamped it in black. And then I just stamped that straight on my nail. And then I just went in with a brush and acetone to clean up my cuticles. And finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, there's these stamping foil nails for you. In my main picture I also added a matte top coat because when I was doing my photos of this, you couldn't really see it because the foil was too shiny. But the matte makes it look amazing. So if you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.